This is going to be the most natural look you'll see today. Honestly, I feel like these days people just want something natural, something that brings out their inner beauty and lasts all day. Heavy makeup can be so uncomfortable. No one wants that. So, let me show you how to create a natural, effortless look you will love in 2025. So, let's get started. So, first, after applying my skin prep, I went in with e.l.f. primer to absorb and hold back the excess oil on our face. For this look, we'll be using V Beauty foundation in the shade Milkshake. Since we want makeup that will last all day, so I decided to use this matte foundation, and then I applied it gently. You can see I did not take too much of it. Too much product on our skin will make that look to be cakey. Yes, I'm telling you this for free. Applying too much product will make your makeup look to turn out too heavy for your client or for yourself, and it will be cakey. It will break out at the end of the day. So learn how to apply every product little at a time. You're welcome. Let's just keep blending until we have a full coverage. Don't forget, this is a matte foundation and you need to blend effortlessly to achieve that flawless look. If you do not blend a matte foundation properly, it will not sit well on the skin. It will have harsh lines. You will start seeing harsh lines. So you just have to blend until everywhere is properly covered. After the foundation application, I went in with a little of blush on the cheekbone and on the bridge of her nose to give it some depth. And after that, I used my concealer, one shade lighter than a skin tone.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
After blending that out, I went in again with concealer, two shade lighter than our skin tone, and I'll blend that out.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
After that, I went in with the foundation, just one shade darker than our skin tone, to contour the nose. After that, I went in with my setting powder to set the under eye, and I applied it on the highlighted areas only, just little. And this is me trying to contour the nose again. After that, I went in with the powder, same shade with our skin tone, to apply just little. Do not pack too much powder on the face. Gone are those times that people will pack too much product on the face just because they want to do makeup. Now there are no such things again. To apply your product little at a time. For the eyeshadow, I used my eyeshadow primer to apply first on the eyelid before going in with my eyeshadow, just because I wanted to pop out a little bit. Please, if you're still watching to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel to help us grow. Please leave a comment below so I'll know what you did not understand in the video, and I'll be glad to share them with you again. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
After that, I used my fix spray to set in everything all together to give me that skin like finish, and I used my fan to dry it out. So here I'm bringing out the under lash so it will be more pronounced. Here I applied my highlighter. I know some of you call it bronzer. I applied my highlighter on the cheek, the forehead, and voila, this is the masterpiece. Look at this gorgeous look. Tell me you don't like this look. Tell me you do not like this beautiful look. I don't know, but for me, I love it. Let me know if you want to see how I created this natural eyebrow, and I'll sure leave it with you guys. Thanks for staying tuned. See you guys in my next video. Bye.